What's up, guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to the 26th tutorial on jQuery. And in this tutorial we are going to create the same function we created for the switch right. We'll create switch left so that we can go to the previous pictures. And we already learned a lot about jQuery and built this nice jQuery portfolio, and I'm sure you already are able to create more interesting things using your knowledges right now. So, but now let's just go ahead and do the same feature for the left click function. And I won't copy the code, I will just write it again. So we create a variable called prev_li, or previous list item, and set it equal to the current li dot prev. And what that prev is the same as the dot next, but it just gets the previous element in the list. And then we can define the prev source as well, and set it equal to prev list item dot children, and grab the image element out of it and get access to its source attribute where the path to the image is stored. And then we select the main picture, the main image, and set it source attribute to this previous source which we just fetched right now. Yep. So, and then don't forget to reset the current list item to the prev list item. So now it's done, and now you can scroll from the right to the left like so. But there is a problem, and if we reach the end of the list, so this is the last picture, and we click right, and there's nothing happens, and when we click left, nothing happens as well. So everything gets messed up when we get to the edge of the list. And now we will fix this bug, and there is a nice workaround I just figured out. So every time we set up this next li thing, we will check if the current element is the last one. And if it's the last one, we will, instead of selecting the next element, we will select the first element. And it's actually very easy to understand. Alright, so let's check if the current li is last child, which is just dot is. So jQuery is actually a wonderful thing. I mean, it's so intuitive. So in order to check if it's the last child, you just say the element dot is, which is a function, and you just say last child. So if it's the last child, we will run this code, and if it's not the last child, we will run something else. So if it's not the last child, we can grab this line of code and paste it here, so we can access the next element. And if it is the last child, we can just go ahead and say next li should be equal to the let me figure out real quick, to the portfolio li dot first, and this should work out. Let's just check. So I'm clicking the last image, and I want to click to the right, and it did. So we just jumped from the very last picture to the first one, and if we continue clicking next, we will go all the pictures in a circle. So now we did it, and well, of course it's very easy to do the same functionality for the left click, so we can actually copy this code snippet and paste it right here, and I'll just get this line of code which gets the previous element, and I replace it like so. And instead of saying next li, of course I need the previous list item. And instead of saying first, I can say last. And here, instead of saying last, I can just say first. And let's just go ahead and test. I click the first image, and I want to go back. Hold on, and I want to go back, and it goes back. So now we can scroll the images to the right and to the left. Isn't it wonderful? And it's only well, it's not that many lines of code in jQuery, because you have all these cool selectors, and you can ask if the element is first child or not first child, just using this is function. So this is something really cool we learned in these two tutorials, and I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where we are going to learn lots of cool stuff. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the 27th tutorial.